So I'm here, it's Friday morning, and I'm heading out of Morowa today. I'm on my way to Perenjori. So everything's packed up and all set behind me, and I'm right here by the town clock tower. I'm not sure it's working, but anyhow, it looks kind of cool. And yeah, big thank you to everyone in the town of Morowa that's taken care of me in one way or another, including the folks from the council, beautiful caravan park, the really nice people at the pub, and the folks that I met on the street. And thanks to all those who donated from all the shops around town. And yeah, I'm going to make pretty good time. I want to get to Perenjori by lunchtime because I'm wanting to see if there's any chance of hitting the Friday night crowd. Like usual, I'm heading in a southeastern direction, and I think the wind is from the southwest, so with any luck it's a crosswind rather than a headwind. But as usual, we take what we get on the road, and we see what happens. It's only about 40 kilometers, so it should be a relatively easy 3-hour ride, I should think. So yeah, I will see you on the flip side or anywhere interesting along the way that I stop for a chat. Awesome. So it's a pretty easy ride today, and I'm just stopped for a nice little break. Bumped into a chap and a little talk about riding the bike and what have you. It's been pretty good. There's quite a bit of breeze out, but it seems to be mostly a crosswind on me today. So I'm basically having a good ride. It's only 40 k's. I feel like it's a very easy day. I'm only about 15 k's out, so I'm way past halfway, and yeah, just having a little relax and a little pee break, and then back on my way. So yeah, all good today. Nice day on the road. So I've arrived, and I'm just going to go and check out the office and then get set up, and then see how the day goes. Everything's good. No problems today. Good riding. Easy. Breeze was a crosswind, so it was favourable and cooling. So yeah, and of course it was only a short ride, so just 3 hours, and we're all good. I will check back in once we're set up. So please like and subscribe, and leave comments, particularly if there's anything in particular you want to know about how I'm solving problems on the journey related to either my wheelchair, the Handcycle, or even the distance driving each day, the distance riding each day, or perhaps my diet. I think some people know that my diet is carnivore, so it might be something of interest.